89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back, people. Welcome back. 12:15 in the noontime, third and final hour of this radio show, the Morning Brew Show. Time now for some of the latest news and updates from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. And this time we have this piece of news from the Presidential Communications Office of Malacanang. As you guys all know, we're under PBS, Philippine Broadcasting Service, and PBS is under the PCO. In response to public concerns on the schedule of classes, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Approved to start reverting the country's school calendar to the traditional arrangement. All right? Reverting the country's school calendar means going back sa dati. Babalikan na yung dati. Okay? Wala nang unti-unti na adjustment. Diba? Originally, it was announced unti-unting adjust. Okay? This time, hindi na. I-revert back to the traditional arrangement. Okay? So the opening of classes for school year 2024 to 2025 will begin July 29 this year and ends on April 15, 2025. Okay? Ayan. So, there you go. Alright? We did this dahil diba? In-adjust, if you guys recall, that a couple of years back, in-adjust to dahil daw, alam mo yun, ang hirap, kakapasukan pa lang, nag-uulan, nagbabagyo. Pero mas mahirap pala yung inaabot mo yung sobrang init eh. No? Pumapasok yung mga bata ng summer na sobrang init. Yeah. Well, actually, lagpas pa ng konti dahil usually March talaga eh, no? March ang graduation season eh, if you guys recall. Ayan, baka next school year pa i-adjust pa rin ulit. Ayan, that's the latest from the PCO, Presidential Communications Office, and the latest from the Subic Bay Freeport, in and around Subic Bay Freeport. We have this report from the Daily Tribune. Love for all, LAB for all, goes to Subic. Okay, SBM employees beneficiaries are given free consultation during the Love for All Caravan of First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos. Okay, speaking of the President, yan, ito naman the First Lady at the Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center yesterday. Yes, she was here yesterday. Around 4,000 beneficiaries from nearby localities flocked to the center to take part in the Love for All free consultation. All right? So that is why special guest natin, bisita natin dito sa Subic Bay Freeport kahapon ang ating dear First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos for the Lab for All event activity. Okay? And speaking of event/activity, we have another coming your way. Traffic advisory for the Ironman Philippines that will be happening, Century Tuna Ironman that will be happening here in the Subic Bay Freeport. Expect significant traffic congestions. Okay? All right, this race series will be happening June 8 and 9, 2024. Okay, one of the biggest triathlon events in the country with thousands of participants from around the world. Heavy traffic is going to be expected or experienced in the Subic Bay Freeport during these dates. And to avoid being stuck in traffic jam, the public is advised to use alternate routes when going to Bataan or Zambales. Okay? Or kung wala naman masyadong importante na magiging lakad, iwas na muna sa June 8 and 9. Nood na lang tayo ng triathlon, ha? Okay, for June 8, it's from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. And for June 9, it's from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay? Alright, so the complete advisory will be released soon. Initial advisory pa lang to, but basta yun ang sinasabi namin. June 8 and June 9, expect significant traffic congestion or alternate routes or closures. Yan yung mga magaganap no? On streets and intersections and avenues here in the Subic Bay Freeport. Okay, so there you go. The latest from in and around Subic Bay Freeport Zone. And a big shout out to our friends at Mang Tomas Lechon Manok Liempo at iba pa. They are located at the Alpha Mart 5 Filtration Road parking area. Yan, Santa Rita, Pepsi, Olongapo, Philippines. Yung pagbaba lang ng tulay ng Santa Rita, no? Once you enter Santa Rita or if the jeepney is going to Pepsi lalo na. Yan, pag diretso ng pa Pepsi, yun na yun eh. All right, that's where it is. The food truck of Mang Tomas Lechon Manok at iba pa. They got delicious roasted chicken, roasted beef, all right? Roasted liempo and a whole lot more. Nakakagutom, no? Oh, yung mga nagki-keto diet dyan, this is perfect for you. Talagang meat, talagang protein lang ang kinakain. May mga ganun no? Yung nagki-keto diet. Okay? Mang Tomas Lechon Manok Liempo at iba pa, mura na. Masarap pa. Hindi na uutang eh. 0960-379-5024, the hotline number for inquiries. Color text delivery din. Yan na rin, ano? Okay. And here's some more invites for you guys. A couple more invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. We have here a couple of job openings. Accounting officer for SM City Olongapo Central. Yeah, that's one of the job openings. Also, client service officer, also for Central. And also, building administration officer. This time for SM City Olongapo Downtown. Yan po yung mga job openings. You may apply directly. Mas maganda, apply na directly. Punta na lang doon sa SM. Okay? You may apply directly there. Visit SM Central or SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay? And don't forget, this coming Sunday na, May 26, 3 p.m., Level 2 of SM City Olongapo Downtown, the Blooms Fan Fest will be happening. Blooms Fan Fest, yung mga fans ng P-pop group Beanie, all girl. Okay, Crema de Fruta special cake for the month of May, available at Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? And the Boys Teen Sale at the SM Store is from May 1 to May 31, up to 50% off for Boys Teens apparels. So check it out. And the Para Kay Nanay offer, shopping treats, is up until May 24. Actually, May 11 to May 24, huh? Like free gelato from Karamia, free signature facial for them from Derm Care, and free play pass for kids at Ambika PlayStation for kids. All right? Also, check out the shoes and bag sale, up to 50% off, May 1 to 31 at all SM stores, all SM malls, nationwide. Nationwide ito, huh? Okay. And the Kabalen free buffet with your SMAC card. Just bring in 4 paying customers and yours is free. Kabalen at the second level of SM City Olongapo Central. All right, that's where it's at. Okay. And also, let me give you the lineup of movies that's showing right about now at the SM Cinemas. Okay, this is for both SM Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Lineup of movies at Cinema 1 for SM Central, May 22 to May 28. Cinema 1, Furiosa. Or Furiosa. Yeah, Furiosa. Mad Max Saga. Cinema 2, Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes. Alternating with Furiosa. And at Cinema 3, Haikyuu. Oh, okay. Haikyuu, The Dumpster Battle. Actually, it's it's an animated film, right? Tama ba ako? Yes, it is. Haikyuu. Okay. And Cinema 3, The Strangers, Chapter 1. Cinema 4, Winnie the Pooh, Blood and Honey 2. Okay, Cinema 5, Pinac 4. At Cinema 6, Ordinary Angels, and When Magic Hurts, alternating at Cinema 6. And for SM Cinema Downtown, May 22, for today only, Cinema 1, Furiosa, a Mad Max Saga. Cinema 2, Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes, alternating with Furiosa. At Cinema 3, extended ulit ang Haikyuu, The Dumpster Battle, Japanese animated film. I wonder what Haikyuu means. Yeah, The Strangers Chapter 1. Okay. Oh, Haikyuu yun yung alternate ng opposite ng ng low Q. Bahala ka. All right, so those are what's showing. Buy your tickets now for SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown Cinemas. Okay? Buy your tickets now. Okay. And time for me to press play on the next requested song. Here's REO Speedwagon. This is their song called I Don't Want to Lose You. 895 Subic Bay Radio.